Good morning! Are you ready for our lesson today? Great! Sit back and let's explore what's new in our science subject. I am Teacher Ruby Alpamitan, your science teacher. I have here a picture of banana and banana bread. What can you say about this? Wow, you're right. There is transformation happened when you mash bananas together with the ingredients in producing banana bread. Today, we are going to study on how energy changed from one form to another. But before that, I am going to remind you that at the end of the lesson, you are going to demonstrate how sound, heat, light, and electricity can be transformed. Last time, we discussed what is energy and its different forms. We're going to refresh our minds about it. Energy is the ability to do work. It can be converted into one form to another. Class, are you ready for the different forms of energy? Great! I have here 4 picks, 1 word. Any hint for this picture? Good! The answer is light. Next picture. What is your answer? Amazing! The answer is heat. Another picture. Any hint or guess? Great! The answer is sound. Last picture. What is your answer? Excellent! The answer is electrical. The pictures emphasizes about heat, light, sound, and electrical. Let us go into define what is energy transformation. When we say energy transformation, it is also known as energy conversion as the process of changing energy from one to another. Let's have an activity entitled Cool Me Down. Problem: how is energy transformed to another form? Materials are electric fan and a socket. Our procedures: first, plug in the electric fan. Second, turn on the fan. Third, observe what happened after 5 minutes. What is the source of energy in the electric fan? What energy is present when you plug in the fan? What are the energies present when the blade of the fan moved? How did your hands feel when you touched the back of the fan after 5 minutes? What energy is it? So, the energy changes from kinetic, electrical, mechanical to heat. So, for the conclusion part, I therefore conclude that in every transformation or conversion, heat is always produced. What are some examples of energy transformation? Come on and let us explore more energy transformation in different forms. Heat to light energy. The sun transforms nuclear energy into heat and light energy. Heat can be transferred from radiation, conduction, and convection. It radiates light and heat which is possible for life to exist on Earth. Plants need sunlight to grow. Animals, including humans, need plants for food and the oxygen they produce. Without it from the sun, Earth would be freeze. A while ago, heat can also be transferred by radiation, conduction, and convection. We have an illustration. Conduction is the transfer of thermal energy through direct contact. Convection is the transfer of thermal energy to the movement of liquid or gas. And radiation is the transfer of thermal energy through the thermal emission. Another is chemical to mechanical energy. Our bodies convert chemical energy in our food into mechanical energy for us to move. When people consume food, the body utilizes the chemical energy in the bonds of the food and transforms it into mechanical energy. Next is the transformation of electrical to kinetic energy. An electric fan transforms electrical energy into kinetic energy. A motor works when an electric current passes through a wire of the magnetic field. The wire turns and some of the electrical energy turn into kinetic energy. Example, electric fan have motor that needs electricity to be able to function and produce kinetic energy. Now, do you understand the transformation of energy? Great! I have here a question. How heat can be transformed into light energy into heat energy, electrical energy into sound energy? So, the energy transformation change in the forms of energy. Any form of energy can change into different forms of energy, like for example, battery to chemical energy. If we put in battery-operated flashlights, there is a conversion happened. Chemical energy transformed into light energy, which can be useful to human beings. So, the question now is, are we able to transfer heat into light and light into electrical and electrical to sound energy? Okay, let's give it a try. From our illustrations, it is able to transform light energy from the sun as our source of heat, and it is converted into electrical energy through a solar panel. To generate electricity with solar cells or heat engines. And then, the generated electricity from the solar panel to electricity at home, such as television. So now, the electrical energy is being transformed into sound energy, and we use it in watching TV at home. Seems that you already know our lesson, so let us summarize what we have learned today. Energy is all around us. Energy is the ability of an object to do work. Heat, light, sound, and electrical are all forms of energy. Heat can be transferred by radiation, conduction, and convection. Sound is counted by vibration and cannot travel through a vacuum. Energy can be transferred or transformed from one form to other. Energy transformation or energy conversion is the change in the forms of energy. Any form of energy can change into different form of energy. Energy can only be useful when it changes into different forms of energy. Now class, let us answer electrical transformation if it is converted into heat, light, sound, or mechanical. Number 1. The radio changes electrical into? Correct! Sound energy. Number 2. The television changes electrical energy into? Right! Light energy. Number 3. The electric fan changes electrical energy into? Wow! Mechanical energy. Number 4. The hair dryer changes electrical energy into? Yes, heat energy. Number 5. The flat iron changes electrical energy into? Correct! Heat energy. At this point in time, class, you are going to answer the following questions. Aim high on transformers. You are going to trace the energy transformation for each item based on the pictures. Number 1. Sun plus solar panel equals? Number 2. Electronic bike plus socket equals? Number 3. Socket plus radio equals? Number 4. Lamp gas plus fire equals? And number 5. Sun plus solar panel plus iron equals?